Hello everyone. After installing and authenticating the WorkDrive extension, you will find the default button activated, which means you are authenticated and your WorkDrive is connected with your Zoho CRM. Now you can go to the module setting. There you will find 5 folder structure for 5 standard modules. And if you click on the pencil icon, you can see lead folder ID is saved in WorkDrive Folder ID EXT field, which is created by extension. If now we create lead, I have created one, and you can go to the timeline, and you can see the field has been updated with the record folder ID. And if you go to the related list, you will find that, let's refresh it, you will find the record field. You create a folder, let's say test1, and upload and a screenshot, let's say this one. Okay, here are some data in the lead folder, so it's working fine now. If you need to convert the lead folder to any of the folder, let's say deal, so what you need to do, you need to click on the pencil icon. You can see the deal folder is also being saved in the WorkDrive Folder ID EXT here. Here, there is an option of Copy Lead Folder. You can check on this, and you need to select the field where the lead record folder is saved. So we know that lead record folder is saved under this folder in the lead module. So we can select it and we can save it. Update the setting. All successful methods. You can go to the lead.